Todd, what'd you find? Oh no! It's a Downy Woodpecker. Aww. Poor little guy. Let me get you in the ground buried proper, little. This is a Downy Woodpecker, probably, not a hairy, but it's a Downy. Oh, no, Todd. Drop, good boy. Hey, stinker. And then instantly start shredding it. What a bugger. Todd. Todd. Oh. Don't be a stinker, boy. Come here. Okay. Hey, give me. Jeez, boy. Still, one more. Jeez. Good thing I have another piece of paper. Okay. Come on, little guy. Let's get you in the ground. Bless you, little Downy. Rest in peace. Ashes to ashes, earth to earth, dust to dust. Reverend Doctor, it's another funeral.